What's going on, real ones? BCHQ, back with another reaction. We got Ocean Wisdom with Eye Contact. Let's go.
Who's this?
You know who this is. You've been running around eating and eating and eating and eating. What about little old me? Now listen, I've got someone who might need some help from you. Your DJ. If you want him back.
He's got his DJ hostage, yeah? What's Ocean out here doing movies now? Trying to be a movie star. Come on, guy, don't get greedy. You're sick with the bars. Come on.
Alright, look. I can get the money, but when this all kicks off, just know you brought this on yourself. You brought this on yourself.
Is that so? Okay. Alright. What are you having till midday tomorrow?
This is like Lock, Stock or something. Alright, in the old school car. I don't even know what that car is. I think it said Cobra on the gear stick, but I don't know what that is.
Brother want advice. There's pressure on my iris, man. There's pressure on my eyes. There's pressure on my sinus, now there's pressure on my mind. See, I put pressure on my peers, that they put pressure on them diamonds. Wait, lies, telling all these lies. Man, got all these guns.
There's pressure on. What did he say? Something about diamonds and.
Pressure on my sinus, now there's pressure on my mind. See, I put pressure on my peers, that they put pressure on them diamonds.
I put pressure on my peers, but they put pressure on them diamonds. Come on. The only way you can make diamonds or diamonds get formed is through extreme heat and pressure. Come on.
Wait, lies, telling all these lies. Man got all these guns and knives, and man got all these wives. Man got all this clientele to buy and sell these lines. Kilos, these bars, Qs, 3-5. Most guys spend ages just wasting their time. These times I'm time saving, chasing what's mine. Can't be celebrating to the wages, getting wide off their wages, celebrating for the night.
Oh, trust me. He's saying I spend my time saving, being clever with my money. A lot of these guys are spending it on nights out. Come on, I've told you in other videos. Come on.
While I cruise into that drive, man, got 2 cents, I don't care about it's all nuisance when he rhymes. But his youth, them don't rhyme. Gotta say free man, I'm inside. Gotta say he's ready for rhymes. That I spit teach and it comes fine. Look him in the face, who you tryna be? I ain't tryna copy, man, I'm out here doing me. Talking about the barking, but the oily with the teeth. Who me? Garden, hey. Look him in the face, who you tryna be? I ain't tryna copy, man, I'm out here doing me. Talking about the barking, but the oily with the teeth.
Nah.
Garden, hey. Really, I'm a master of the wave, just a master of my craft, not a jack of every trade. Little carcass in the car, something earlier I've made. See, I drop a little bar and even burn it from the spray. Really, when the ratios are right, I'm on a roll. So they pre the way I walk and then they copy with a stroll. Little did they know that I just manifest the goal. And if they get up in my way, I may just manifest the goal. Swing it in your face, swing it in your jaw. Look at all the teeth, spinning on the floor. Had a second fall before you hit the floor, but it's too late for them things. Keep got drama to the door. Look him in the face, who you tryna be? I ain't tryna copy, man, I'm out here doing me. Talking about the barking, but the oily with the teeth. Who me? Garden, hey. Look him in the face, who you tryna be? I ain't tryna copy, man, I'm out here doing me. Talking about the barking, but the oily with the teeth. Who me? Garden. Hey, you know what? It's intrinsic, win, it's dim nitwits, drip diction. This year, my endless kids get them 2G big bits, put them in the pocket and then send them to your guy, fall for the profit. You're dissing.
Alright, Osh. Coming with fucking Bruce Lee type. What's he trying to do? A Bruce Lee film with this, like, he's trying to create movies within songs. Come on, stop being greedy. Just do the music. You're talented.
Pick another gang, pick another girl, pick another world. You are not allowed to little man, them on the road, fully no wizzy. I walked in, hell it don't with me. I rolled that and I stretched that and I grow that. Cut a whole scene, one fuck with me. I know that and I love that and I hold that. Very close to me.
Glass. Fuck's sake, are you joking? Wheel it up. While I'm eating venison, looking all elegant. Come on. Another one. I need lyric videos with these fucking bars. These flows, it's like a machine gun. Come on.
I ain't tryna copy, man, I'm out here doing me. Talking about the barking, but the arty with the teeth. Who me? Garden. Looking in the face, who you tryna be?
Damn.
I ain't tryna copy, man, I'm out here doing me. Talking about the barking, but the arty
Like some fucking James Bond shit. Just pistol whipping, man. Like the DJ just comes out of the shed. DJ taking care of business even though he's already fucked up. That's tough. The video for this is fire. But let other people eat, Ocean. Come on. Stick to the music. Let the actors do the acting. Come on. Fire. Definitely a pass. Killed it again. Like I said, his flow is like a machine gun. It's like, I need lyric videos, so I'm going to be straight with you. Definitely a pass. Shout out to everyone supporting. Don't want to fuck with the real ones.